Hello, children. Today we are going to see the chapter 6, A Part of My Own. This is the story is going to tell about the new transport system. Its name is Ultra PRT. The word ULT stands for Urban Light Transport and PRT it stands for Personal Rapid Transit. But it always the writer named it called a pod and a sound cutter. Okay, we will see about what is pod and how it works, what are the facilities are there, and what are the disadvantages and advantages are in the new transport system. Okay, it was the Diwali holiday. It was a thrilled time for Nancy, who's the sister of the writer, and his mother and father. They were visiting their uncle in London. They were very excited to be here. Okay, once they reached the Heathrow airport at a very convenient time, 11 a.m., so that her mother, the place was very familiar for her mother, so she didn't want to come. She didn't want her brother to come and visit them. So it was very happy moment for the author because he wanted to travel on a pod. It's a new transport system. So he's very excited and curious when they headed towards the car park station with their luggages. Once they reached the station's automatic glass doors opened up to these high-tech little vehicles. They were queuing up outside, waiting for the passengers. Uh, Here the author is going to tell about the look of the pod. The podders look like a tiny hatchback cars. Did you see the hatchback cars? See the picture. So it looks like a tiny hatchback cars, but almost completely its shape is oblong. Okay. It was very hard. You hardly see the rubber wheels. It's made up of the wheels are made up of rubber, and their front windows reminded the writer of the adorable face of the honey. The face, the front look is like a honey bee, with long and black eyes. Okay, then this is the look of the these are the look of the pod, and we will see what how the pod is. Okay, the pod. Once the people got inside the pod, they should press a button and it will the doors are automatically closed. The little pods were very fast and made almost no noise, so it's very comfortable for the family to travel in. They were entirely computer controlled. Imagine a car. Children just imagine a car without a driver, how it would be. Okay, we can read it in the science magazines and all, but actually here is happening. Okay, before boarding a pod, you should select the destination option on a touch screen. There is no TTR or there is no conductor and all. Okay, there will be a touch screen. It's all the things we should do in a computer which is in the platform. Okay, you should use the touch screen to select the options to your destinations. Okay, after finishing the selection, the computer will confirm your destination, and then you should enter the pod. The the author explained the look inside look. Okay, you just see the outside look. Now you will see the inside look of the pod. It was the four people could fit it with ease, and there was plenty of space for the luggages. There was plenty of space, and the seats was very comfortable, and it was very very clean. Okay, they felt like they were in a tiny space shuttle. Okay, it's very nice to ride it. Okay, the author asked his mother, won't it get crowded when it stops to pick up other passengers? The mother replied, there is it won't stops for more passengers, it have a limitations to get passengers. Okay, so it will not be crowded at any time. Okay, the author was very happy and he was shouting a loud. Mother didn't tell him to simmer down because the speed was very perfect and it was more comfortable than any buses. In the buses and train and all, your mother will strict you to shut your mouth and all, don't do this and that. But here she didn't tell anything to the author. Finally, the mother told about the pod. The pod are the most environmental friendly form of transport since they were battery powered. Okay, it's a battery powered and they are also very efficient even with a maximum speed of 40 kilometer per hour. It will run 40 kilometer per hour. They are quite fast because they don't get stuck in any traffic jams. It will not stuck in traffic jams, so it will save our times also. Once an ultraport departs from the station of origin, it does not stop until it reaches its destination. It will not stop for all the places. It will stop only at your destination. So it will saves your time also. It congested urban areas. This makes the Ultra considerably faster than private cars and also much faster than most buses. They are comparing with the other vehicles. It was the very fast system. And the mom also told that she had read in the paper that New Delhi and Amritsar might be the first two cities in India to introduce this form of transport. The New Delhi and Amritsar also decided to introduce this transport. Many other ports passed by. Ports travel on elevated tracks in some places and on level ground in others. Since they are computer driven, the chances of an accident are less. It was a computer driven, so the chances of accident are very less here. So it's very comfortable and safe to travel. So it seems that computers are going to drive cars. Here the computer is going to drive some vehicle. So it seems that in the future it can also the computer can drive cars and driverless cars and you can have trains also without driver. It may happen in the future, the mother told. Finally, the author dreamed himself that one day he will buy a own pot for himself. Okay, this is the story. This is the informational story about the pod. Okay, thank you, children.